Hello everyone, so we will proceed with our SUBD tutorial. And yeah, so in previous tutorial we just tried to fix a bit our topology. Yep. And right now what I'm thinking to do, I will import all our previous tutorial sizes like a knob, switches, etc. handle, and we will play a little bit with that asset. We'll try to place it, so I will do time lapse while I will be importing them. Okay, so great, we have all our assets. Definitely we'll create even more in order to complete this project, but for now we have at least the starting points. So let's begin to adding this our GR, our created props, this geometry. Yeah, so let's snap to the center of the top our handle, gray. I think will be served better. Awesome. So yeah, so select the speaker. Can throw it definitely on the center. For me it's working great. Definitely we need to scale a bit. Yeah, awesome. But I want to break a bit the symmetry, so I will move to the side, probably align with these lines on the bottom and on the left side. Yeah, something like that. Maybe I will scale even more. Let's go to the frontal view and let's check how it will look, and it's pretty good. Okay, so what's next? Probably I will move this, we'll use that plane in order to measure these guys. I don't know, these objects, the handles. Yeah. Okay, let's duplicate. We'll go to the frontal view and try to scale to match a circular shape. I mean, from the size perspective. Okay, so let's select a different knob, or how it's called, handle, and try to play with that one as well. Okay, so I need to align the top and the shape. Okay, I will go then to side view in order to see better. Yeah. Okay, so let's proceed with the scaling. I'm trying to fit this circular shape. Okay, something like that. So we should something similar. Yeah. Okay, I'll move it to the side, make a reference. Right now, probably I will even check it as invisible, and I want to place them equally on different size. Know which one which and which one will go where. Just snapping to the surface, and as for a measurement, I will create a simple plane and snap it to the center. Let's enable wireframe in order to see, and the object center from here. Yeah, so you can snap it simple like that, and it will be like a center of the wolf, let's say. Yeah, for us. Okay, so scale a bit. Yeah, and probably try to align with this line and this one. No, I don't want like that. Too close. The side should be somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, so No, we can scale it even more than something like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's align with this one, this edge, and for the, let's say, placement, we'll try to align this line of this object. Yeah. And right now we can align of this center object in here and to the side. Okay, so in general they should be equally distanced from the center. Yeah, so simple like that. I've done measurement. Maya has its own measurement tools, but yeah, sometimes it's easier just to do it like that. Yeah. Okay, so it's good to know that we can use simplicity. Great. So what we will do next, we will select probably this knob, just duplicate, rotate it, snap it to the surface, and let's try to pivot it, scale it down a bit, maybe it won't be perfect measurement to between these two lines. I mean, from scale perspective. Checking. Okay, so what we'll do, I will duplicate. Okay, and now probably we'll start moving them in place. Okay, something like that. Let's see how it will look, and it's looking pretty decent. Okay, so let's select our this one, switch, duplicate, rotate, snap to the surface, scale it down, maybe even more. No, probably will stay on the line for now, and let's rotate it by something like that. One, turn it on, turn it off, something like that. Something like that. Okay, and what we can do next? No, it looks like penetrating too much. Okay, something like this. I think much better. Great. So what we do? We will create probably maybe small. Okay, so what I want to see is like a small indication lamp or something like that. Yeah. So let's just create a cylinder, something simple, nothing special. Let's make it fast and 16. Good. Okay. Let's extrude it. Extrude it again. Let's duplicate the face. Extrude it. I'll reverse the bottom part. As you saw, it was inverse normals, and you already know everything about it because I was talking almost in each tutorial about this. Sure. Yeah. And if you want to avoid it, just do not select the faces, select the object and do extrusion, and it won't have such artifacts. But no, up to you. Okay, let's select the edges, do bevel, and the chamfer, fraction, increasing. Great. For this object, the same thing, same story, do chamfer, and add up the lines. Let's select both and try to subdivide. Okay, and yeah, we will apply existing blend material in order to fit our all the shapes. Yeah. Okay, so group, unique, lamp. I don't know, bulb lamp or how it should be called, but oh well, it is how it is. Okay, so I will throw it in here for now, something like that, and let's duplicate and let's throw on the mesh. Awesome. So let's make this lamp and align with that switch, let's say. Yeah. Okay. We need to align with this one. Great. We have something like that. Very cool. So what we can do next, we probably can use that one in few areas. I want to add one of them in the top as a connector, like an antenna, or no, we'll probably will create different end for antenna. So let's go to the back. As I will remove the frontal side, as we don't need it anymore. We have this plane ready. Yeah. So let's select this one. We will do. I will delete this edge. We don't need it. And yeah, just extruding grid, and let's bridge these two guys. I need the geometry, the clear geometry, let's say, on this plane, because I will add like a power cord or something like that, and I want to make a cut in the shape. This is the reason why we need to have a grid topology. Definitely we're working with SUBD, and we will work all the time in the quads. Definitely you can use triangles too, but I'm trying to learn basics of the modeling. Yeah, so let's try to do everything right. And when I'm saying right, so do in quad. Sometimes it costs much more geo, but you need to learn. Okay, so maybe 5 in here, and what 10 in here. Sounds great and looks pretty good. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so what we can do, can select these guys and just extrude it. How does it look? And the result, you can see it's missing a lot of geometry. Okay, so let's try to fit this knob in our mesh. Yeah, just rotate it, scale it, looking perfect. I like it. Okay, so let's duplicate. Probably I will do the second one in here, and in here probably some kind of safeguard or something like that. We will see. Okay, so we inserted them in here, and we need to add support for the shape. So let's select our main lines, yeah, which is responsible for all the shape, yeah. And what we will do, definitely we will bevel it. To bevel, remove the chamfer. I will lower the fraction, and yeah, basically simple like that. Whoopsie. Select the dots and connect them. And as you can see, again, we have great quads, and this is the plane surface. There is no bending, no animation on this area will be done. So such topology will be perfect. You can see you won't see anything. Looking great. Definitely, if you want to have sharp edges, sharp, just do another bevel, yeah, or tighten the edges, or add additional loop if you want. For example, let's add in here, yeah, that's it. One, you can do sharper bevel, yeah. You have that sharp line here, but I don't want to have it. And as I mentioned, better work with a less topology. You always can do that later. I mean, if you want to even sharper or something like that, because yeah, in the end we will be going through all bevels and we will be checking if everything looking great, consistent, etc, etc. Yeah. Okay, so what we will do next, definitely we need to take the bolts and add in this mesh, a lot of bolts, but I will do probably at the end of this modeling tutorial thing. At this moment, I'm much more concerned what kind of details we are missing, what kind of, let's say, things this device should have. And yeah, probably we need to have this like an arrow. I don't know how it's called. So probably I will, in the next tutorial, we'll move to that arrow and whoopsie daisy. Okay, so yeah, I will make the arrow, and probably we need to make that cut in here in order to insert it. Yeah, great. So stay tuned. Cheers. See ya.